Dear friends, I am Dr. V.Narayan and I run a practice in Bangalore, India. My specialization is oral pathology, though in practice I have a focus on implant dentistry and aesthetics. I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of soft tissue in maintenance of osseointegration around implants. I will try to give you an insight into the amount of literature that is available to tell us about the ideal soft tissue dimensions to maintain osseointegration over a long period of time, and I will also try to punctuate it with some clinical cases showing how we can modify soft tissue thicknesses to achieve the same goals. So I welcome you to the 26th conference of the ISOI to be held at Renaissance Hotel in Mumbai, and look forward to some great interactions with you all. Thank you DentistChannel.Online and Team ISOI. Looking forward to precision in implant dentistry, precision in tertiary dentition.